Hey guys, LukeBot123. Actually, I'm not 123. LukeBot here. And today I will be teaching you everything about the Japanese dictionary. No, not going to be teaching you about the Japanese dictionary. I'll be teaching you how to draw manga eyes, which can be hard, but it's really one of the biggest things that people identify in manga. So, yeah. I'm gonna do that instead of some of the elite squad's requests. Sorry, Elizabeth, Delaney, and Jude, and everybody. But I'm going to begin with a HB pencil, some rubbers, don't fall off the table. Better not. A molded eraser, and a B pencil for a finished product. But I might ink. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So you're going to want to begin by drawing nice little very, 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 very light lines like that. And then another one like that. And yeah, do you have those? Try to find the center. Just draw a nice little line there. Then you're going to draw some more, just where you think that it should end, and erase those outward guidelines, so that you'll kind of have like a frame like this. And then what you're going to do next is take your HB pencil, then draw some nice little circles, and while you all catch up with that, I'm just gonna, some people takes a little time, just feel free to fast forward through that. Okay, I'm back because sometimes people need time because I do things too fast, maybe even too slow. Tell me which. But next, you're just gonna wanna find a nice little space between, draw some little lines like that. They don't have to be perfect. Remember, nothing in here has to be perfect. As long as you try your best, it's as perfect as it can get. But yeah, once you have those, going to do this, this, and this, and this. Kind of like you're just drawing bushy eyebrows, maybe. And then below, you're gonna draw some little just boop boop, like that. Once you have that, you can kind of just draw some very, 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 very light ovals right there. Then you can kind of do something like this, just so you can kind of get an idea of what it should look like. And if they look wrong, just try to correct yourself. But yeah. Should have something kind of like this. And then you're going to draw these little pointers downwards that kind of indicate like, hey, the eye stops here. It doesn't go on for an infinite line. But yeah, and then you're going to draw these little things just to show regularness and, you know, regularness. Grammarly, yay. Yeah, I mean, Mark Crilly, if you need more, Mark Crilly has a great YouTube channel. I have his book, How to Draw Manga. It's great, but that's only if you need more help with it. And then for the eyes, you're just going to want to draw a nice little thing, maybe like this for the highlights, kind of just sitting there. Just sitting there like a little beanbag, just resting over there, the corner. And then you can draw some like circle like that. And then a nice little line. Not just light though. And then color the inside of where the line was. You can do that with cross hatching too, which I might do. And then you're going to say that you have a very light circle right here. Color that in, and if you want, crosshatch. Just kind of outlining it so that you're sure what you're looking at. So once you have all that, you should have some okay manga eyes, and usually where this is you would draw a nose, but yeah, that's the best short little video I can do for manga eyes. Thank you all for watching, and you can just skip to the end if you're going to do that, but first smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and click that notification bell. See when I have a new one, but I'm going to ink this. So, yeah. You can just go out, or if you want to see me ink, you can see me ink. And yeah. Thank you all for watching.